Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am fine. And
How do
where
you
are
say
you
your
from?
name?
Yeah, my name is, the pronunciation is Indrajit.
Indrajit.
Perfect.
Yeah. I know my Hindi. I used to be in an Indian dance group when I was in college.
Oh, so you know Hindi?
A little bit. A little bit.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Can you say it that uh, I love you? Can you transform it in Hindi?
Okay. Hob is love, right?
Yeah, I love you. I love you.
I forgot how to say that. I can sing in Hindi if you want me to, but I forgot I can't really speak.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
So
So can you?
basically, I was born in Turkey and then we moved to the US. We moved to New Jersey when I was little. And in New Jersey, there's a lot of Indian people there, and so a lot of my friends in high school and then in college, they were Indian. And in college, I was in a dance group, Bhangra, called
Bangla.
Josh.
Okay,
It was a
Josh.
yeah, Josh. And so we did a Holi show, Diwali show, and
Oh, wow.
um, and I
So,
sang at my friend's wedding. I sang "Meri Yaar Ki Shaadi Hai."
oh my God, your Hindi is so cool.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Awesome,
So, what
awesome.
about you? Are you a student? What do you do?
Yeah, currently I am pursuing bachelor degree of technology in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering,
Oh,
and I
nice.
and I have one more year left for
Uh huh.
graduation. Then want to become, I want to do a decent job after my graduation. So that's why I want to improve my spoken English skill, and also I want to improve my public speaking skill, because sometimes I am getting so nervous while speaking English in front of a lot of people. So
Yeah,
that's
a lot of people get nervous sometimes. That's
yeah.
normal. Yeah. I mean, it's good to be excited, right?
Yeah,
But
maybe.
you seem like you have a pretty good handle on English. Your English is pretty good. It's very good.
Thank
Yeah,
you very
yeah.
much.
Okay, so what do you do outside of university, outside of your studies? Do you have any hobbies?
Yeah, to talk about hobbies, I love painting. I love making videos. Then I upload on YouTube, and
Hmm.
yeah, I spend my hours by that.
Okay, what do you paint usually? Landscapes or portraits?
Yeah, landscape especially. I usually paint landscapes, but sometimes I paint scenery. Maybe it may be urban. That is called also landscape. Yeah,
Oh, what do you use? Do you use like acrylic, gouache, or what?
I use watercolor to paint.
Watercolor. That's amazing. I really want to learn how to watercolor. I mean, I like to draw and I like to paint and I knit and I sew and I do all these things. Lately, I've been really into geometry, geometric
Oh, geometry.
drawing. Yeah, like I have a couple of examples here, like this flower of
Oh,
life
wow.
and like that.
Awesome.
Yeah, this is another flower of life.
You,
I'm
you,
really
you,
into sacred geometry. Have you heard of this?
no, no. Can you type that for me?
Yeah, of course. Sacred geometry.
Oh, sacred geometry. So, what is about that?
So sacred geometry is basically about these shapes. Like, so you have the circle, you have the square, you have the
Oh,
triangle, and these shapes basically tell us about the the nature of our reality.
okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So, for example, this one here, the flower of life, this. So you
Hmm.
start with one circle and then you go up, you draw another circle and then an up. So it just
Ah,
kind of keeps growing and growing.
okay.
And you can find this actually all over the world, all the ancient sites. Like you can see it in from India to Scotland to
Oh,
all over,
very,
like all the
very
historic
different
sites.
countries. Okay, okay.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
are you planning for it for auction or something like that? Are you
No,
planning?
no, no. This is just for fun. I just do it in my free time.
Oh,
I just have
but
them here because I was talking
yeah.
to another person about them, so that's why.
Oh, okay, okay. So you did really awesome job. I
Oh, thank
like
you
it.
so much. Yeah, thank
Drawing.
you. So, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yeah, I have one elder brother who
Hmm.
actually does a government job. So that's why he stays another city of this state West Bengal.
Oh, okay. That's your younger brother or older?
He's my older brother. I'm
Older
younger.
brother. Sorry. Oh, sorry. So you're two brothers.
Yeah,
Oh,
and
okay.
except that, I stay with my family members, and also I have a lot of cousins.
Oh, wow. How many cousins do you have?
I have almost one, two, three, four cousins. I have
Oh, four cousins. And you all live together?
uh, two live together, and one is studying on abroad. So that's why
Mm. Oh,
he he visit our house occasionally.
oh, he visits the house. Okay. Um, so where does he study abroad? Which country?
Uh, he studied in Bangladesh.
He's studying in Bangladesh.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
okay. Um, so what do you do in your free time? I asked you that already, but you said you paint and you
Yeah,
do you
I
watch any shows or
some I watch movies,
Mhm.
basically detective movies, and also thrilling movies. So
Oh,
I love that. And what type of movies do you like?
the type of movies that I like all types of movies. I love comedy because I love to laugh.
Yes, yes. That is the
And
actually laughter is the best remedy for all uh,
yeah,
all
laughter is
disease
the best medicine, as
medicine.
we say. Yeah, absolutely. So for like because of Netflix, I get to watch shows from different countries and stuff. So I really like that. I can watch a show from Germany, from Korea, and from all over. So I really enjoy that because like most recently I watched Lupin. Do you know Lupin? It's a French show.
Oh no, no, I don't know.
I think you would like it. You said you like thrillers and detective
Yes,
stuff.
okay. So please type
Yeah,
down.
I'll write it down for you. So Lupin,
Oh, Lupin.
Lupin. So this is it's a show about like a heist.
Oh, heist. Okay.
Do you know what that means?
Yeah, heard about the money heist. Money heist.
Yeah, exactly. It's kind of like money heist. So a heist is like a robbery, right? So he's
Hmm.
trying to like steal something, and so it's basically about that, and it's very
Oh,
interesting.
wow, wonderful. Then I will. Is it available in Hindi dubbing or in English dubbing?
In what? I'm sorry.
In English dubbing, dubbed in
Oh, yeah,
English.
yeah, yes, yes. You can watch it. I think dubbed in English, or you can watch it subtitled.
Okay, oh, great.
I like
And
to watch it in the original, and then I like to read the subtitles because
oh,
maybe
yeah.
I pick up some words.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
This is
And
this is how I watched all Hindi movies.
okay,
Yeah,
okay.
Bollywood movies.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
And yeah, so how do you spend watching TV shows and also watching Netflix?
Yeah, basically, I mean, I just started doing Cambly, but prior
Okay.
to that, actually, so right now I'm in Istanbul, but I actually normally I live in Saudi Arabia.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I live in Jeddah with my husband and my two cats and my plants. Um, but I came to Istanbul to visit family. My grandmother was sick actually, and then she passed away. Um, but yeah, so I came for 2 weeks, but then they closed the flights, so I couldn't actually go back. And so now I'm stuck here, so that's why I'm doing this.